Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Black+Decker 20V drill is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless drills on the market, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable tool for various tasks, from drilling precise holes in wood and metal to driving screws with ease and speed. This video will provide an in-depth review of its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER LD120VA Drill Kit. This is the BLACK+DECKER LD120VA cordless drill and driver kit, the perfect tool for all your DIY projects. It's part of our 20V Max system, meaning power and performance you can rely on. It features a lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for up to 18 months. Always ready when you are. This drill provides extra control with its 24-position clutch. It prevents stripping screws and ensures precision every time. The soft grip handle makes it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. You'll appreciate the added comfort during those longer jobs. It comes with a 30-piece accessory kit, giving you everything you need to get the job done. All the bits and drivers you'll need are included. It's part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max system, a range of powerful and versatile tools. Expand your workshop with other tools in the same system. What we like. It boasts an impressive battery life and a clutch with multiple settings for precision. If you need a versatile tool with plenty of accessories to tackle various tasks, this is the perfect choice. This drill is ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable and feature-rich tool. What people say. The grip felt comfortable in my hand, and the overall construction exuded durability. The variable speed control allows me to adjust the drilling speed according to the material I am working with, from delicate wood to tough metal. The rechargeable battery has consistently provided ample power for extended projects without requiring frequent recharges. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER LDX120C Drill. This cordless drill is part of our 20V Max system, meaning it's lightweight and powerful. It's perfect for a variety of tasks around the house or workshop. It features lithium-ion technology for longer life and no memory effect. Enjoy more power and less downtime. The 11-position clutch gives you precise control for drilling into different materials, from wood to metal. It's ideal for all your screw-driving needs. Its compact size and lightweight design reduce fatigue, making it easy to use even in tight spaces. You can work comfortably for longer periods. The variable speed setting lets you countersink screws without damaging the material. It gives you complete control over your project. It has a handy integrated bit holder under the handle, keeping your bits organized and close at hand. This convenient feature saves you time and effort. With its powerful motor and versatile features, it's ready to tackle any drilling or screw-driving task. Get yours today. What we like. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to handle in tight spaces. If you value maneuverability and precision, this drill is a great option. This is perfect for those working on detailed projects or in confined areas. What people say. The drill's ergonomic design fits comfortably in my hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. The 20V Max motor provides ample power for drilling through wood, metal, and plastic. Its compact size is a huge advantage. It fits easily into smaller spaces. The cordless design adds to its portability, eliminating the hassle of finding a power outlet or dealing with tangled cords. The power output is impressive for its size. It handles basic drilling tasks with ease, making it perfect for hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or minor repairs. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER LDX120PK. This comprehensive kit is perfect for all your home improvement needs. It comes with everything you need to get started on your next project. It features a powerful 20V Max lithium-ion drill, always ready to tackle any task. The battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. It offers an 11-position clutch for precision control, preventing stripped screws and overdriving. You'll get the perfect results every time. This kit includes 66 additional hand tools and accessories, providing everything you need for a wide variety of projects. You'll be prepared for almost any home repair or improvement. It comes with a handy carrying bag for easy portability and storage. Keep it all organized and ready to go. Get all this for an incredible value. This kit offers everything you need at a price you'll love. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers incredible value with a wide array of tools and accessories. If you're starting a new project and need a complete set of tools, this is the one for you. The included carrying bag makes it easy to transport and store everything. What people say. Powerful drill. Make sure you adjust the settings. It tightens screws fast. Comes with bits, driver ends and a parcel of hand tools with a carrying bag to boot. This has been a brilliant, all-purpose set for me as I embark on new home ownership with previously no tools at all. I have used almost everything in this kit within the first few months numerous times to affix cabinet hardware, hang pictures, put up shelves, assemble furniture etc. I have small hands, and the power drill is very comfortable and not too heavy. It's also got a decent amount of power and the ability to easily regulate speed etc. Powerful, good build quality, long battery life, sturdy and durable accessories. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BDCDMT120C. This innovative system gives you the power and versatility you need for any project. It's part of our expanding 20V Max family, so you can easily add tools as your needs grow. It features a powerful 20V Max motor. This provides plenty of power for a wide variety of tasks and attachments. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver in tight spaces. You'll appreciate its comfortable grip during extended use. The Matrix Quick Connect system makes changing attachments quick and easy. Simply attach and detach the accessories you need for the job. It's part of the 20V Max system, meaning you can use the same battery across multiple tools. This saves you money and keeps your workspace clutter-free. With its versatility and power, it's ready to tackle almost any project. It's the perfect addition to any home workshop or toolbox. What we like. The innovative Quick Connect system allows for easy attachment changes. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for various applications, this is a great choice. This drill is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who value efficiency and power. What people say. This BLACK+DECKER has ample power to bore clean holes through all types of wood. Very good drill with good power and a good, balanced feel. Securing bits in the chuck is easy and secure. Battery charging is quick with helpful and straightforward light indicators. Holds charge well. Easy to use and very versatile tool with several attachments, such as circular saw, detail sander, jigsaw, impact driver, plunge cut blade, router. The tool is designed for the weekend DIY person. I consider it a light to medium duty tool. The max RPM on the drill is 800 compared to 1700 RPMs on my DeWalt, but it definitely gets the job done. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BD2 Kick Combo Kit. It features a 3/8-inch chuck, perfect for all your screwdriving and drilling needs in wood, metal, and plastic. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks. This prevents screw damage by providing extra control and preventing overdriving. You'll have more precision with every use. Work at your own pace with the variable speed trigger. It allows for countersinking without damaging the material, giving you more control over your projects. With 1375 Nlb of max torque, it delivers high performance. The quick release mechanism makes bit changes fast and easy. These tools are designed for easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. You can work comfortably for extended periods without fatigue. Both tools have a built-in LED work light, illuminating your work surface even in dimly lit areas. This ensures you always have clear visibility. The interchangeable battery system lets you use one battery for multiple tools, maximizing efficiency and convenience. It's part of a larger system of tools. The kit includes the drill driver, impact driver, a 20V Max Power Connect lithium-ion battery, a charger, and 2 driver bits. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. This combo kit provides both a drill and a powerful impact driver, offering versatility for a wide range of tasks. If you need a powerful and efficient solution for both drilling and driving, this kit is for you. The added LED work light is a great bonus for working in low light conditions. What people say. Removed a lot of good size nuts and bolts. Worked very well. The 1.5Ah battery should last a very long time, and replacements are easily found. The whole BLACK+DECKER 20V line of tools use the same batteries and chargers, which makes it very easy to continue to buy from the same manufacturer. The drill is still going like new. Compact and powerful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.